Find or read reviews that people are talking about Mentech Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 180 degrees rotatable design and 150-inch giant screen. Experience unmatched flexibility with the Mentech Mini Projector's adjustable angles, perfect for projecting onto the ceiling or any surface without the need for fixed installation. Transform any space into a cinema with the massive 150-inch screen, perfect for movies, sports, and gaming. The light source lasts up to 30,000 hours, meeting all your viewing needs. Native 1080p, support 4K decoding, 300 ANSI, 12,000 lumens, 10,000 by 1 contrast ratio. This Mentech portable projector supports 4K decoding. Please make sure to connect 4K devices such as TV sticks via HDMI. Videos marked as 4K projectors will be displayed in the original resolution of 1080p, usually referred to as 4K supported. Native 1920x 1080p resolution, support 1080p, 300 ANSI 12,000 lumens brightness and 10,000 by 1 contrast ratio ensure you get detailed and vivid image details. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and built-in Android 11. The built-in dual-band 2.4/5G Wi-Fi 6 ensures reduced latency and enhanced responsiveness, perfect for video conferencing and real-time applications, delivering smoother, more immersive experiences. Experience seamless entertainment with our smart projector, featuring a built-in Android 11 operating system for instant access to a vast array of content without needing extra devices. Stay ahead with the latest tech and software updates, ensuring future compatibility. Mini low noise and built-in speaker. Weighing only 1.54 pounds, this mini portable projector is easy to carry and fits in the palm of your hand. Designed with a unique cooling system. This TV projector operates quietly at below 27 decibels for a peaceful viewing environment. The built-in speakers provide excellent audio quality, simplifying your setup and reducing clutter in your entertainment or presentation space. Bluetooth 5.2 and multiple compatibility. This small projector enhances your audio experience with Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, allowing easy pairing with wireless speakers, headphones, or sound bars. Enjoy high-quality sound without the hassle of wired connections. It features HDMI, USB, and audio ports for easy connectivity with laptops, Switch, iPad, TV stick, USB flash drives, and more. Package includes projector, remote control, batteries not included, manual, power cord, and HD cable. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.